Lots of people increase image resolution inside Canva, but uploading those images to WordPress the wrong way, that's what makes your site slow and blurry. Let me show you the right workflow. More resolution is not always better. Big files slow down your site. Small files look blurry. We want the sweet spot, sharp, fast, and responsive. Inside Canva, you click Download. For photos, you choose JPG, and for graphics or logos, you choose PNG. Keep the width between 1600 and 2000 pixels for hero images and around 800 to 1200 pixels for smaller visuals. Avoid exporting 4000 pixel images if your site never uses that size. You only make the file heavier with no quality benefit. Now, an important point. Canva does not export WebP format, not even on the Pro plan. And WordPress does not always convert your images to WebP automatically. That depends entirely on your hosting server. In my test here, I uploaded a PNG from Canva and it stayed PNG. That's normal. Your server simply isn't generating WebP versions. So what's the correct workflow? Step number 1, you export a JPG or PNG. Use JPG for photos and PNG for graphics. Forget about WebP format for now. Step number 2, you convert to WebP before uploading, which I recommend. And for maximum speed, convert your file manually. I recommend Squoosh.app. It's a fast, free, and gives you full control. Just drop the Canva file, choose WebP, adjust the quality, and download. Step number 3, let a plugin do everything for you. If you want a simple solution, install ShortPixel or Imagify. They automatically convert every upload to WebP and compress your images. Before uploading anything, always compress your image. Use Squoosh, Tiny PNG, or your favorite tool. Rename your image using real words. That helps SEO. And always preview on mobile. If it looks blurry, increase the resolution slightly or adjust the container in your builder. Inside WordPress, do not set every image to full size. Choose the size that matches the container. Use Object Fit to Cover for ear banners and Contain for icons or small graphics. Never stretch an image. Stretching creates blur instantly. So the right workflow is simple. Canva, export correctly, convert or use a plugin, compress it, upload it, choose the right size, fast, sharp, and professional. If this helped you, subscribe for more Canva and WordPress tutorials and don't miss my latest short Canva trick every web designer should use in 2026. See you in the next one.